Yo everybody, day 10 just went crazy. Yesterday's video hit 110 views. So today we're not slowing down. Today we're using free AI to create new Pokemon starters: Fire, Water, and Grass. Let's see if AI can design starters better than Nintendo. Come on, let's go. Rules are simple. 3 starters. Each one has a team. You must pick one at the end. No skipping. And I made the space again. Free. No login. So, come on. Let's not waste any time and let's get into the video. So, come on. I'm writing my prompt. I'm gonna do this prompt for the fire Pokemon. And boom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, bro. This legit looks like a starter. This is 100% fire starter I'd pick. Okay. What if we evolve the fire one? Okay, come on, let's do that. You have to. Okay, let's just see how it looks when evolved. Boom! Come on, it's generating. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm having words to describe. This one wins. Okay. Okay. Nah. Oh my god, bro. Whew. Okay. So I'm just joking. It's so good. Like, would you pick this as your Pokemon? Tell me in the comment below. Okay. Time to create a grass one. So, boom. Now let's create a grass starter. That would look so cute. Let's go. Oh yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah. So guys, this is my new slime. Let's go. I don't know what happened there for a sec, but okay. Let's go. Come on, breathing fast. Let's go. Okay, we're just vibing. Okay, this one is clean. This feels like a calm but dangerous Pokemon. Okay, I heard you. Now for the water Pokemon. Let's go. Water Pokemon time. Let's go. Boom, bam, bump. Yeah, boys. Let's go. Let's go. See what this one is. Let's go. Let's go. No, this one looks OP, my guy. Like, bro, look at the splash of water underneath. This also feels like a safe but fierce and terrifying Pokemon. This looks like the Pokemon that evolved into a legend. Okay, stop scrolling. Fire, grass, water. Comment one emoji only. I'll redesign the winner tomorrow. So now we're gonna open Gemini and ask it to name these Pokemon. Let's go. So I'm gonna take the evolved version. Yeah, down there. Okay, so now I am going to put this in. What? No, cancel. Okay, so let me just put these in. Boom, bam, bop. Okay. Hi. Can you name these Pokemons, please? And tag abilities. Okay, let's see what Gemini cooks up. Oof, I hope it's good. I'm ready. Come on, we can do this. Let's go. Okay. Oh my God. Let's see. Let Gemini cook. Come on. Okay. Taking kind of a time. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, okay. For our evolved Pokemon Fire type, Ignis per Saber. Damn, that's a cool name. The Swatch Spirit Pokemon. Blaze powers up Fire type moves when the Pokemon HP is low. Bro, that's OP. Sharpness. It's a hidden power. Power slicing moves. Ooh. No, that looks cool. Oh, for now, our Water type Pokemon. Bubble Orca. So Bubble and Orca mixed. Okay. The type is Water and Fairy. Ah, okay. So it's a splash. The category is a Splash Pokemon. Abilities. Torrent. Powers of Water type moves when the Pokemon HP is low. Damn, bro, these are too overpowered, bro. Cute Charm. Contact with the Pokemon may cause infatuation. Ooh, that's good. And now for our Grass type Pokemon, let's see what it has cooked up. Folipop. Ah, foliage and pop. That looks good. Type is Grass. The Sapling Pokemon. Overgrow. Powers up Grass type move when the Pokemon HP is low. Too overpowered. Chlorophyll. Boost the Pokemon speed that in harsh sunlight. Oh my God, bro, that's so OP. Which one will you choose, bro? Come on, put those in the comment below. Okay, everybody. So, if you enjoyed Days 11, subscribe, like, and comment. Like which starter you want. We're almost halfway to day 30. Tomorrow depends on your vote. See you. Peace.